don't mean can say Doumbouya wanche eye Alpha Conde. Doumbouya na wo share President Akufo Addo. No who say mema eba no. Sa wo he Jebril ano Schwarzenegger ne form wodi president echi. Na he Doumbouya na ate ase say mema o Ghana ha. Enti don't make any mistake. Saka me catch us na na ya aba wo be sorry. Saka say ehwa no wo betena. Anyway, good afternoon.
They became complicit of that criminal enterprise led by
Alpha Conde, no.
So they became complicit.
I see.
Who called him to order? Nobody did. Even call for who call a bunny age mate so they equal age mate.
That's what Watara then.
So Watara.
Yeah.
Watara and person mechanism this year. The way answer. They don't. The 1992 Constitution, Article 3 say. A bit in your basse, a banya amambophobia bedio my name. No more ye DNT, or my general action or minus and you my you. Now, most of you so you need board home pember 2 Constitution Gua. My uncle Trevor Flow. Young Kwan suffered that Constitution in Rabak. Now, said never back a dear. What would this some yourself? Young John Modium, young come back.
8.9.
Because more being against so be plan cool or Ghana had their children. We won't allow it.
So, I mean, now Haruna Malibas or Casapa, Kudi will be ampe. Saka Salea, Pacho Bemike, no, Chimike and Bear or my. No, this very one. And okay, Casaguna may say, yeah, I understand. Sorry about that. I'm saying, oh, the Animpocradia, and yeah, it's off air. So when there's a Uber pool now, Fachain now. Good. Chim, yay.
Describe it too.
Yeah, I get you.
You see, you have agreed, say, these are the protocols. Yeah, African countries. If the people of Guinea want to change Omu constitution, they will do so and present it in a manner. Equal was Ankasabe who said, this is not coming from just one person. And there will have to be even time. For instance, Kufutama Akufo Ekono.
I know will not be.
Oh, dear, making a point. Tama Akufo called. Who said Akufo, when he was going, he said, to him, he prefers, 7 years, 1 term. But at the time of our power, if he had proposed that, he wants to change the constitution. There could be some other arrangement, another law, be HSA. Even if the Guinean people want change, the person who sits on the throne should not be the first beneficiary. And I should not be a beneficiary.
How do you say, Yandro? Young candidate, yeah.
No, but you see, because President Ako Guinea, Omu Miti Ewa Accra, and Omu take a decision. Decision now, the 6 head of states, on behalf
other foreign
of
diplomats,
the 15, and I almost say the president of Ghana should go to Guinea and then convey the communique to Mamadou Doumbouya, and they are doing so. And we share the. And for me, I think, sir, in the absence of standing force, sanctions no so yet. Okay, say even the Malians, the Malian junta, almost see they cannot access or move funds. Travel bans until the Malians themselves came to say they have agreed to a transition to democracy by February 2022.
Yeah,
and that was the reason why Omo lifted those bans. And I think, say, if they because look, no country is an island. If there is ban, there is restriction on your movement, there is freeze on more accounts. You cannot be in Guinea alone and operate. And by all means, you want to be part of the world community. And for me, I think say ban also a year. But more importantly, let's do preventive mechanisms.
Now you are Watara ne president Doumbouya and Cho.
Oh, say no,
agrobi no die.
I mean, NDC type of agro.
But do you think, sir, it was right for the president to be accompanied by Watara?
Well, I mean, I think, sir, Ouattara shouldn't have been there because he's a bad example.
Good.
For instance, Tama make us catch us say Conde, no, Alpha Conde actually say other people have changed their constitutions. And Ouattara was one of them. So and then the Chadian president was one of them and all those things. So they even inspired him to do so. So now, even say even going to Guinea, the first and foremost reason, say they are going to ensure say Omu release Alpha Conde, and then lay the officially give the communique to Mamadou Doumbouya. If the messenger, I mean, is not credible enough, I mean, it's a problem. I'm not doing politics with it because
I like what you just said. If the messenger is not credible.
Yeah, so for me, I think it's a foxfire to have allowed Ouattara to be part of that delegation. Because, I mean, and one thing, Amaba was talking about it. No, it doesn't matter if I even criticize the president. So sometimes when we
so it was the president, the chair of the ECOWAS Commission, and Ouattara.
See what I say?
Yeah.
And Guinea is not a poor country like
Amaba put it, yeah.
Guinea is one of the richest countries in Africa.
What
did you say?
Rich,
you said so.
The people are poor. That's what
you said.
Guinea is the richest country.
No, you said the poorest country.
Guinea is the richest country because the largest bauxite
in the world.
They have bauxite. They have bauxite. They have they have bauxite. They have iron. They have gold. They have oil. They have a lot. So what I say, and how to manage this, and Tina, the president Alpha Conde, Tina see our own person, and I am happy when.
Yeah,
because I mean there are resources. I mean sometimes
the resources
some of these greedy. I mean that's what I'm saying. Some of these greedy presidents. That's how they are. When they I mean constitutional.
Is
somebody sitting?
And you're breaking the 8.
Oh please, see,
because
I said breaking the 8 doesn't break our constitution. It doesn't break our constitution.
No, breaking the
or see.
You see these guys.
Where you go?
They want us to be doing unnecessary politics.
No, but I just interceded by saying, breaking the 8 does not mean breaking our constitution.
Yes. So what's the problem?
Make a breaking of constitution or say,
because of the natural resource of the state.
We are talking about individual, and then we are also talking about
because
so we are talking about the 7 points. They are talking about 6.7 for MPP.
Because
what are you talking about?
African leaders need greedy because of national resources.
The African leaders are greedy. Don't you know that?
Let's say the party in it one for individual. Or the party into one who need
I'm saying that it is an individual matter.
Ultimately, Alpha Conde, or no point to mean consistent constitution. Parliament in the board man necessary.
Nippon in cahoots with Parliament.
That is what I'm saying.
Yes.
So can decide also to need and the person as somehow candidate and
sometimes you put just what even when there are
no in fact who are Ghana the say.
When there are no
so we agreed no almost the constitution.